Washing machine.
She put the clothes in the washing machine.
Washing machine. Dryer.
She forgot her jeans in the dryer and they shrank.
Dryer. Laundry basket.
He carried the laundry basket to the laundry room.
Laundry basket. Detergent.
She poured some detergent into the washing machine.
Detergent. Fabric softener.
I always use fabric softener to make my clothes smell nice.
Fabric softener. Clothespin.
She put a clothespin to hold the t-shirt.
Clothespin. Clothesline.
They hung the sheets on the clothesline to dry.
Clothesline. Iron.
He used the iron to remove the wrinkles from his shirt.
Iron. Ironing board.
She set up the ironing board in the living room.
Ironing board. Stain remover.
He sprayed some stain remover on the ketchup stain.
Stain remover. Bleach.
Be careful with bleach, it can ruin your clothes.
Bleach. Laundry soap.
Grandma prefers to use laundry soap instead of detergent.
Laundry soap. Hanger.
She put the dress on a hanger.
Hanger. Laundry room.
The laundry room is next to the kitchen.
Laundry room. Lint roller.
He used a lint roller to clean the pet hair off his jacket.
Lint roller. Drying rack.
She placed the wet clothes on the drying rack.
Drying rack. Laundry bag.
He threw all his dirty clothes into the laundry bag.
Laundry bag. Washing powder.
They ran out of washing powder yesterday.
Washing powder. Spin cycle.
The spin cycle helps remove extra water from the clothes.
Spin cycle. Steam iron.
The steam iron works better on thick fabrics.
Steam iron.
Don't forget to subscribe. Watch more vocabulary videos.